What if the factories of tomorrow didn't build products? They grew them. Imagine clothes that repair themselves, buildings that heal their own cracks, and packaging that melts back into the soil, instead of choking our landfills. It sounds like science fiction, but this isn't a movie plot. It's the future, and it's happening right now. Welcome to the world of living manufacturing technology, a groundbreaking field where biology and engineering are joining forces. We're stepping into an era where we don't just manufacture materials anymore, we grow them. This isn't just a small change, it's a complete shift in how we think about making things, moving from a world of extraction and assembly to one of cultivation and creation. So, what exactly is living manufacturing? Forget the traditional images of factories with smokestacks, metal, oil, and harsh chemicals. Instead, picture laboratories and bioreactors filled with life. Companies are now harnessing the incredible power of microbes, cells, algae, and fungi. They're even using AI to design entirely new organisms, all to create real-world products. This entire concept is inspired by nature's own blueprint. Think about how a forest regenerates after a fire, how our bodies heal a cut, or how a seashell assembles itself atom by atom. Living manufacturing takes these principles of regeneration, self-assembly, and natural efficiency and scales them up for industrial use. Scientists are essentially giving microorganisms a set of instructions, and these tiny biological factories get to work, building complex structures and materials for us. Let's look at some mind-blowing examples. In the fashion industry, companies are using mycelium, the root network of mushrooms, to grow a sustainable, durable material that looks and feels just like leather. This mushroom leather is not only cruelty-free, but also requires a fraction of the water and land needed for traditional leather production. And because it's a natural material, it's completely biodegradable. Then there's the construction industry. Researchers have developed living concrete by embedding bacteria into the mix. When a crack forms, water seeps in and activates the dormant bacteria. These microbes then produce calcite, a component of limestone, which fills the crack and literally heals the building. Imagine bridges and roads that can repair themselves, saving billions in maintenance and making our infrastructure safer and more resilient. But it doesn't stop there. Living manufacturing is also tackling the global plastic crisis. Scientists are engineering bacteria that can consume plastic waste and convert it into valuable, biodegradable bioplastics. Other microbes are being programmed to produce packaging materials that compost in your backyard within weeks, leaving behind only nutrient-rich soil. We are talking about a circular economy, where our waste becomes a resource for new creation. The potential applications are truly staggering. From biofuels grown by algae that can power our cars, to lab-grown meat that offers a sustainable alternative to traditional agriculture, to self-healing electronics, and even living medicines that can target diseases with incredible precision. This technology promises to solve some of the world's most pressing challenges, like climate change, resource scarcity, and pollution. Of course, we're still in the early days. There are challenges to overcome, like scaling up production, ensuring safety, and navigating complex ethical questions. But the momentum is undeniable. This isn't just about creating novel products. It's about building a more sustainable and harmonious relationship with our planet. By working with nature instead of against it, we can create a future where our industries don't just extract and consume, but regenerate and thrive. The next industrial revolution won't be televised, will be cultivated. The factories of the future are alive, and they are growing a better world for all of us. What do you think is the most exciting application of living manufacturing? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this as fascinating as I do, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more glimpses into our incredible future. Thanks for watching.